Now I have to discuss about the great legendary officer of British Indian Army and the Indian Army is K.M. Karyappa sir. He is from Coorg, Madikeri, Karnataka. Sir K.M. Karyappa received the prestigious Order of the British Empire OBE for his role in the Burma against the Japanese during the Second World War. K.M. Karyappa became the first Indian officer to be given command of a unit in battalion level in 1942, and in 1947 the first Indian selected for Imperial Defence College in UK. He is a man known for many firsts, but most importantly, he took charge from the Indian Army from its last British Commander-in-Chief, General Sir Roy Butcher, and also led Indian forces on the Western Front during the Indo-Pak War of 1947, as successfully recaptured Zojila, Dras and Kargil and established a link up with Leh Ladakh. On 15th January 1949, Karyappa became the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army. He held the 5-star rank of Field Marshal, the highest honor of Indian Army in India. With the discussion with Field Marshal rank, Sir Sam Manekshaw was the first Field Marshal of India and was conferred the rank on 1st January 1973. The second was K.M. Karyappa, who was conferred the rank 15 January 1986, but we known as the first Field Marshal. Sir K.M. Karyappa was already retired in 1953, and since Field Marshal never retires, therefore retired officers cannot be given the rank, but as a token of gratitude for the exemplary service rendered by him to the nation, the Government of India overruled the pre-established criteria and conferred the rank of Field Marshal on him at 15 January 1986 at a special investiture ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. Field Marshal, the rank, 5-star General Officer rank, highest attainable rank, and it is largely ceremonial and wartime rank. It is very prestigious and highest rank in India. In this regard, Army Chief General Bipin Rawat sir on Saturday wished for Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa, independent India's first Army Chief, to be conferred the Bharat Ratna.